Finland or Sweden. On course, I am excited, and this is Mr. Henrik Harlaut.
Nico, you told me earlier that Henrik Harlaut is one of the favorites to win this year's Frostcut Invitational, right?
Oh, fuck yeah.
I still got those 50 euros on Ross though.
The Danish guy?
Ross Henshaw from Denmark, he was neutralized a few minutes ago. Så hvis der sidder nogle danskere derude og tænker, hvorfor pokker har vi ikke en af vores egne med i feltet, så kan vi sige, det har vi også. Simon Juhl Jørgensen forhandlede med utrolig diplomatisk kompetens Ross Henshaws nationalitet, så han er ikke længere fra Gingerbread i Australien, men fra Køge i Danmark. Rigtig fint.
Ouais, on regarde les derniers.
Det er nok noget af det største, der er sket i mit liv. Jeg har været til en forhandling, jeg ikke selv kan huske, og har fået en af verdens bedste skiløbere.
Det var diplomati på høj plan.
Jeg ved slet ikke, hvad jeg skal gøre mig selv lige nu.
Efter lidt forhandling og et par disinger på Morten Messerschmidt og et handjob, så var Ross Henshaw altså dansk.
Jeg har også engang vasket en hund uden at vide det.
Alright, so we've seen the first two competitors. I'm curious for the result, Simon, but while you can tell me, I'm going to talk about the next head-to-head riders. All the way from Switzerland, Mr. Jonas Hunziker, Walter Ross, on course!
Okay, I should maybe make the announcement for...
That was actually not Mr. Jonas Hunziker, I'm sorry. That was Mr. Espen Bell from Norway, and he was going massive.
The Norwegian Air Force has arrived.
Hey, do you know the results from the first round? Henrik versus Gaute.
We're working on it, Nico.
Yeah, we know the results, but are we gonna tell them right now or gonna wait for the second run?
Alright, we wait for the second run, that's true.
We're gonna keep the excitement going, Nico.
Keep them guessing.
We're looking to the next competitor, ladies and gentlemen. He won this event the last 2 years. This is Mr. Ross Henshaw from Australia/Denmark.
Ross Henshaw for Køge, what up, Ross?
Hey, can I try one more thing? DJ, music down a little bit. Thank you very much. We tried it earlier today and it was a lot of fun. If we all say together big old French, ooh la la. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
C'est tout pourri.
That was not very horny.
I know. We'll keep trying more. Thank you very much for joining. DJ, put the music on. Rico Schuler versus PK Hunter, the fourth and the fifth from the qualification. This young guy is only 16 years young, but he is one of the nicest kids here in the competition. Dropping in with a lot of speed, Rico Schuler from Switzerland. Oh my God, did you see this?
Og det er jo ellers utroligt, fordi de er jo som regel meget konfliktsky Schweizerne, men han er kommet for at vinde, Simon.
Ja, han gider ikke noget pis.
That was the biggest jump of the day, and he stomped it as if it was nothing. A big old double cork 1260 true tail.